This is a 2008 Ford Edge. This crossover has an automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, a CD player, side curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, full power accessories, front and rear reading lights, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has less than 64,000 miles. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Covert Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 11514 Research Boulevard in Austin.